median of group data we were taking, children, and now the third question. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. Okay, so the data table is given to you here, and there is a slight difference here compared to the questions we have taken up earlier. Their class interval and frequency was given. Now here what you observe is, see, they have written here age has been written below 20, below 25, below 30, below 35 and onwards, rather than class intervals. Okay, so we need to modify this table a bit before we are able to apply or use a formula. Okay, because in a formula for median, that requires lower limit of median class, then frequency of the class, and so on and so forth. Now this number of policy holders, this is also frequency, but this is cumulative frequency. Okay, we've seen doing those questions where from frequency we had evaluated cumulative frequency. Here from cumulative frequency you'll have to find frequency, because if you go to see in the formula, you require CF as well as F. Okay, तो जब भी ये below something above something ऐसे करके mentioned होती है आपकी class, तो जो उसका corresponding frequency होता है, then that is always cumulative frequency. Another way to identify cumulative frequency is it will always be either in increasing order or in decreasing order. So if it is less than or below type, then it will be always in increasing order. And if it is more than, okay, तो more than में ये आपका decreasing order में जाएगा. Maximum frequency यहाँ आके फिर कम होता जाएगा. Okay, and obviously the last entry has to be n. So remember in the question it was said we have 100 policy holders. So ये last entry 100 आ गई equal to n, right? Okay, so from here you have to evaluate your frequency now. Okay, so as I've done it here in the table, this was given to you. So this is your CF. This number of holders that is given to you is your cumulative frequency. So from your first we'll form a class interval. So the first class will be below 20, because it was said that the policy is for 18 years above. So I have taken the first class only as 18 to 20. So one class will not make a difference. For rest of them, if you see, the length of the class interval is 5. Okay, so that can be taken as standard. We can ignore this bit out here, right? So first class I have taken as 18 to 20. Then we will break this as from 20 to 25. Next class will become between 25 and 30, then 30 and 35, 35 and 40, this way. So a jump of 5 out here. Okay, so we are converting this from below or above table to CIs we are forming. And then this frequency, as we said, is cumulative frequency. It is going on increasing C, one after the other. So from here you will reduce your frequency. So for the first class, obviously it will be 2 only. We'll have only 2 members which will fall in this class interval between 18 to 20. Then when I'm saying below 25, तो below 25 में below 20 वाले भी आ जाते हैं. इससे आपको ये हटाना पड़ेगा if you are focusing only from 20 to 25. So we need to remove this. So your frequency for 20 to 25 will be 6 minus 2, because इसमें 2 people were below 20. And now we are focusing from 20 to 25. So ये 2 will have to minus. So the frequency of this class becomes 6 minus 2, that is 4. And here when it was said 24 people below 30, then that was including these 2 also. Okay, because below 30 you're automatically below 25 as well as 20. So इसमें भी if we are only interested between these 2, so it will be 24 minus 6. 24, यहाँ 6 यहाँ तक हो गए थे लोग, तो उन 6 को remove कर दोगे, remaining will come in the class interval 25 minus 6. Okay, so this way you have to keep on subtracting CF from the previous CF to find frequency of the class. 78 minus 45 will give you this. 89 minus 78 will give you this class frequency. So this way you will have to evaluate frequency. अभी तक जो हमने questions करे थे, frequency and CI was given, तो आपने उसमें add up करके CF बनाया था. Even that is required. अभी यहाँ पे CF पता है, तो आप minus करके F निकाल ले रहे हो. Okay. After that is done, now again we have to see n is already known as 100. So half of n, that is 50. So 50 will come in between 45 and 78, means it will come in this class interval between 35 to 40. Okay, so as we had said that, the rest of the question now becomes same as what we have been doing now. Okay, so 50 which is half of 100 is going to come within or below 40. So ये हमारा median class बन गया. Okay, so if that's your median class, then we know lower limit of median class L becomes 35. Then CF is cumulative frequency of the class above, which is 45, and frequency of this, which is 33. So knowing all these, and H of course is length of the interval is 5. So knowing all these entries, you just need to put it in your formula for median. We know median is given by this formula. Put the values 35, 50 minus 45 upon 33 into 5. So 5 5s are 25 upon 33. We will convert this to its decimal. Again, as I've told you earlier also, इतना बड़ा LCM लेके बड़ा number करके फिर divide करके calculation time increase होता है. So leave this 35, convert this to its decimal, add it, and so we would say hence the mean age of the policy holders is 35.76 or approximately 35 years. Okay.